Thank you very much, my distinguished colleagues. My findings are nomination by Mr. President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federation are in consonance with the provision of Section 8(1) of the Nigerian Communication Act 2003. The professional and educational experience of the nominees will contribute immensely to the development of communication sector in Nigeria. Betting inquiries conducted on the nominees to ascertain their competence, credibility, suitability for appointment of the chairman and commissioner of the board of the Nigerian Communication Commission were favorable. The nominees met the requirements for appointment into office as enshrined in Section 7(1)(ah) of the Act, NCC Act 2003. If the confirmation is made by the board of the NCC, would have been fully constituted in line with Section 5(2) of NCC Act 2003. Your Excellency, my distinguished colleagues, our recommendation. The committee, after exhaustive deliberations and the scrutiny of the curriculum by T and other supporting documents of the nominees are having been satisfied and their qualifications, experience, suitability, competence, and ability in communication regulatory matters, hereby recommend that the Senate do confirm the nominations of the following. The Chief Idris Nominees Southwest as a chairman, board of Nigerian Communication Commission. 2, Senator Ramani Olekan Mustafa, Southwest, as the commissioner, board of the Nigerian Communication Commission. 3rd, Engineer Ikechukwu Owegde, Southeast, as commissioner, board of the Nigerian Communication Commission. 4, Princess Omiko, South as commissioner, board of the Nigerian Communication Commission. 5, Barrister Christopher Sandy Okore, South as commissioner, board of the Nigerian Communication Commission. Last but not least, Haja Mariam Bai, Northeast as a commissioner, board of the Nigerian Communication Commission. Your Excellency, my distinguished colleagues, our prayer is that the Senate do approve and recommend recommendations of the committee. I so move, Your Excellency.
I rise to sincerely commend the committee and your esteemed self by making a correction that, an omission that actually occurred initially, where the Southeast had no nominee in this commission. This matter was brought up to you and to the chairman of the committee, Senator Bilbis. And you did everything to ensure that according to the law establishing the commission, that the Southeast should have a commissioner. And that has prompted the nomination of a very good man, an engineer, Engineer Ikechukwu Ugwegede, to serve in this commission. When we see this type of thing, we don't hesitate in giving support to it because it has reflected the spirit of the law, establishing the commission, and a credible person has also been nominated to represent the Southeast Zone in this commission. So without much ado, I want to say that this report has met all the requirements for its acceptance and confirmation of the nominees. So I so much appreciate this work, and I give my wholehearted support to it. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. Who will consider the report of the Committee on Communications on the screening of Mr. President nominees for appointment as chairman and members of the board of the Nigerian Communications Commission, and approve the nominations of Chief Idris Ibikunle Olorunibi as chairman, Senator Remoni Olarelekon Mustafa CON as commissioner, Engineer Ikechukwu Ugwegede as commissioner, Princess Ofori-Nere Emiko as commissioner, Barrister Christopher Sandy Okorie as commissioner, Hajia Mariam Bayi as commissioner, all as commissioner, as chairman and members of the board of the Nigerian Communications Commission. It is a true reflection of what transpired in the whole committee of the whole. Distinguished colleagues, will the Senate confirm the nomination of Chief Idris Ibikunle Olorunibe as chairman of the board of the Nigerian Communications Commission? Those in support of the confirmation say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The nomination of Chief Idris Ibikunle Olorunibe as chairman of the board of the Nigerian Communications Commission is hereby confirmed. Distinguished colleagues, will the Senate confirm the nomination of Senator Ramoni Olarelekon Mustafa CON as commissioner on the board of the Nigerian Communications Commission? Those in support of the confirmation say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The nomination of distinguished Senator Ramoni Olarelekon Mustafa as Commissioner Board of the Nigerian Communications Commission is hereby confirmed.
Point of order, sir.
Yes.
Standing on order 8.3, I move a motion that we do extend beyond 3 o'clock.
Distinguished colleagues, those in support that the nomination of Engineer Ikechukwu Ugwegede as Commissioner Board of the Nigerian Communications Commission be confirmed, say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The nomination of Engineer Ikechukwu Ugwegede is hereby confirmed as Commissioner on the board of the Nigerian Communications Commission. Distinguished colleagues, those in support that the nomination of Princess Ofori-Nere Emiko be confirmed as Commissioner, Board of the Nigerian Communications Commission. Say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The nomination of Princess Ofori-Nere Emiko as Commissioner on the Board of the Nigerian Communications Commission is hereby confirmed. Distinguished colleagues, those in support that the nomination of Barrister Christopher Sandy Okorie be confirmed as Commissioner, Board of the Nigerian Communications Commission, say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The nomination of Barrister Christopher Sandy Okorie as Commissioner, Board of the Nigerian Communications Commission is hereby confirmed. Distinguished colleagues, those in support that the nomination of Hajia Mariam Bayi of the Northeast as Commissioner, Board of the Nigerian Communications Commission be confirmed, say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The nomination of Hajia Mariam Bayi as Commissioner on the Board of the Nigerian Communications Commission is hereby confirmed. Let me thank my colleagues, and particularly thank Senator Ikra Bilbis, Chairman of the Senate Committee on Communications, and also thank distinguished Senator Folabi, in charge of ICT and cyber crimes, for working together to ensure the proper screening and today's approval and confirmation of this report. Congratulations to our colleagues for all their contributions. I also congratulate Mr. President for choosing the right characters to be in the Nigerian Communications Commission. As stated by distinguished Senator Victor Ume, judging from their pedigree, judging from their resume, we have no doubt that this commission will do its best to promote the expansion and the reach of communications in this country.